What I have here is a piece of Hyperlex, which is a polymeric carbon fiber vinyl. It's a high quality product, and I'm going to show you what you can do if things go wrong during your installation. Quite often when you're applying and you get yourself a little crease, or you don't apply it properly and you've got to pull it off, you stretch it, you damage it, you have to throw it away and get yourself a new piece. In the case of Hyperlex though, it's pretty much indestructible. One of the most common problems that you have is with the adhesive side, is getting the two sides to touch. And if that happens, normally what happens when you pull it apart is you stretch it, you pull the adhesive off the one side, and you really damage it. You have to bin it and get yourself another piece. But this is a high quality automotive adhesive, and when you pull it apart, it simply just comes apart without damaging at all. By the same token, if you apply it to your vehicle or your laptop or your phone, whatever you're applying it to, and you're not happy with your installation, just pull it off and reapply it. And you can do that as many times as you need to without losing any integrity of the adhesive. The next common problem that happens is getting a kink in the vinyl. Now if you get a kink and you do apply it, you can't rub that kink out. It'll remain. So let me just make a little kink here and show you what you can do with Hyperlex. In fact, that doesn't show up very well on camera. I'm going to really scrunch it. Right, there you go. You try and pull that apart. Right, as you can see, that's pretty well creased. Now with Hyperlex, all you need to do is run a heat gun over it, and all those creases will disappear and you can reapply it. There we go. The other advantage of heating it up is it makes it very pliable, and also it activates the adhesive. So we always recommend, once you've applied it, is to run a heat gun or a hairdryer over it anyway, just to activate that adhesive. Another thing that often happens is when you apply it, you find you go over contours, etc., and you do tend to stretch the vinyl over these contours so you don't have creases. Now what would happen then is, if you take it off, the vinyl would actually remain in that misshapen, badly shaped, and you'd need to get yourself a new piece. With Hyperlex, I'm going to warm this up just so I can demonstrate. Right, now I'm going to really distort this. There we go. Okay, now as you can see, I've distorted that far worse than you're ever likely to do in an application. And with any cheaper vinyl, these cheap PVC vinyls that are often sold on eBay that come from China, you'd have to throw that away. With a polymeric like this, all you need to do is, once again, just apply your heat and it will return to its normal shape. There you go. Once again, very pliable. It's back to its original condition, and you can reinstall that as many times as you need to without having to replace it.